You know, some people think doing drugs is cool. I mean, I don't. But Bird is trying to show them that putting things in your nose isn't a good idea. You see here we have some sriracha. We also have some mustard, some ranch, some lemon juice, some coffee creamer, some horseradish. And Bird's a man. He's about to do a jumbo line of fucking concoction asshole. Alright, so just so you guys know, I'm gonna start pouring this beastie. Oh, I got my fucking mustard ready. Ooh, that looks pretty tasty. Ooh. That's gonna be the winner right there. Ooh. Dude, your asshole is not gonna like you tomorrow. Oh, yum. I'm gonna puke just fucking thinking about it. That shit stinks. Alright, get her mixed up nice and good. Bird, I'd say you're up. Alright. Do you have anything to say before you do this amazing line of concoction ass?
Don't do drugs.
You know, Bird, you're my hero.
Well, thank you. And I don't need to use straws because that shit does not suck up any good.
I'm just glad that you're trying to show these kids that, you know, drugs are a bad thing and they lead you to nowhere. So instead of doing that, you should just snort stuff like Tabasco and ranch instead.
And they're all home appliances, so you don't have to worry about...
You don't have to spend money. You don't have to go out there and deal with crackheads. You just, you know, reach in the fridge and snort what's in there.
Exactly. You can snort hamburger meat if you have to. All right, we're going to do this, right?
Let's do this.
Now. It burns my nose.
How is it?
Fucking burns, man.
Bird, some people do more drugs than that. I think you should go in for seconds.
Seconds? Fuck, dude, my fucking nose like burning my fucking...
Do the other nostril.
Oh, dude, it's fucking burning my nose. Ah. Oh, dude, burns fucking bad. Oh.
Don't do drugs.